Welcome back to Overheat. Exterior of the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome Futuristic and Aerodynamic Design. The form will likely have flowing surfaces and gentle curves, making it highly aerodynamic. To save weight and increase fuel efficiency, lightweight aluminum and carbon fiber will be widely utilized. At multiple key locations, the prancing horse logo will be prominently displayed. Adaptive LED lighting. Cutting-edge adaptive LED technology will be used in the headlights and taillights. Intelligent privacy windows. Intelligent privacy technology will be used in the enormous windows. Accessibility and security. For enhanced security, a biometric recognition system will be used at the entry. Interior. Digital reception desk. For general information and guest registration, there can be a reception desk equipped with an interactive touchscreen. Huge information screens. Massive LED screens will be mounted on the walls. Smart glass walls. These walls might be transformed into interactive projection screens that show simulations, racing tactics, and visuals. Adaptive lighting is a lighting setup that may be changed to produce the ideal ambience for lengthy talks or presentations. Sound insulation. To guarantee the highest level of seclusion and focus, soundproofing materials will be employed. Ergonomic beds. Electrically movable beds with memory pillows and mattresses that may be heated or cooled for the best possible recuperation. TV screens, cozy couches, and a tiny pantry for drinks and snacks are all features of the shared lounge space. Modern commercial kitchen appliances like convection ovens, induction cookers, industrial chillers, and premium espresso machines are all part of the professional kitchen. Smart Building Management System (BMS). A centralized BMS system that can be accessed using a tablet or smartphone will regulate every element of the RV, including lighting, temperature, humidity, and security. Advanced vehicle safety and navigation. 360-degree camera, automatic parking sensors, GPS navigation, and emergency braking.